Okay, so here we have a Sony ST-4950, and I want to demonstrate the swishy sound that I've been telling everyone about. And I'm sorry for the lack of technical nomenclature, but here we go. So we're turned on. There is actually power to the speaker here, and as you can hear, there's no sound coming out. You'll notice the signal meter is over to the right, and we're over about 93 here. I'm going to tune about. The left hand side, I do get some nice static, that's good. And we go quiet in this sort of range here. Still kind of staticky. This is swishy sound. Not very good, right? Let's go to the other side. Here. Now we get good static sound. We'll go to the right hand side of the dial. And let's just go over here. Good signal strength. Tuned. Nice sound. Okay, so we're all happy. Okay, now we're going to go back up to the left. Swishy sound. Okay, we'll have to know NPR's around here somewhere. Let's go and take a look at this. This is the air capacitor here. This is the magic screwdriver of tuning. I'll take this screwdriver here, and we're not going to do anything too bad. Oh, it's really dark. I'm sorry. Apologies. And we're going to put him down on... Sorry. Let me do this. Okay, life's not perfect. I'm in my own light.
But as we do, we don't want to make more mistakes.
Okay.
In Italy, the number of new cases may have plateaued. For the fourth day in a row, cases have remained steady instead of growing exponentially. Well, that is a lot to take in, but we're going to start with something that's top of the mind for many Americans. That dismal news, an additional 6.6 million people have filed for unemployment, bringing the total number in the U.S. right now to 10 million.
Of great beauty.
Joining us now to talk more about this is NPR's economics correspondent Jim Zaroli. Jim,
amazed.
Welcome. Nice to hear your voice.
Nothing. All quiet. Full deflection on my signal meter. No sound. I'll take the magic screwdriver again, and I'm sorry that it's so dark here. Pop him back down. Okay, hang on.
Ever before. And the week before that, we had 3,300,000.
There we
We
go.
have lost
We're going to
almost
station back.
all of the jobs that have been created in the last 5 years.
And I can even take my hand. Don't know what that's doing.
Just not the number.
There we
but
go.
It's the suddenness of it. I mean, the kind of going 5 miles an hour and it slammed.
So there we have it. Very peculiar. Thank you for watching.